Hello guys, I'm back again with new song. This time I'm reacting to none other than Fildan Mile Hai Tum Humko, covered by Fildan, and this song is very special for me because it's a Hindi song and Fildan representing our Indian culture to all of you guys. I'm loving to reacting to this kind of musical. So if you new in my channel, please subscribe this channel Indian Reaction, comment down below which type of video you want to watch, hit the bell icon for notification. Without further ado, let's jump into the video. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Wow, what a vocal by none other than Fildan. He is killing it, man. The way he performed, the way he spell, it's amazing to watch him live and watching him many times. I'm truly admire him. Wow, man, I'm loving it. I don't know why, but I love the way he performed, his vocal, his looks, everything's so perfect that you just need to fall in love with Fildan. And this is great to watch him performing this song, and I'm really honored that I'm reacting to this song, man. I really do, man. Wow, man, I feel it. I feel the vibe with my heart and I'm feeling it, man. It's truly a blessing, and you can feel the vibe of this music with your heart. If you don't know the language, it doesn't matter, man. Music has no language, guys, and I'm loving it, reacting to it. Wow, what a sweet vocal. What a sweet vocal, guys. Sweet, so sweet of Fildan, and the performance looks truly great, and the way he's pronouncing everything is so perfect, man. And it is international right now, and this Indian song has many very good singers, and India has very popular country, and India has very great singers, but the Arijit Singh is one of the greatest singers of Indian music industry, and they covered this song, and this song has different fan base, guys. different kind of vibe. How much passion going on in his vocal, and the true pain, shows in the lyrics. You guys know the lyrics is awesome, and I don't know have to say about the vocal because I say it many times, but the way they put out the emotion is truly blessing. Wow, what a performance by none other than Fildan. He killing it. He's just making the best of his whole career, and I'm like, wow, how he do this kind of vocal that he's created right now, and how he performed well. I feel like this is the original version of the song, and I never judge by their vocal, but I judge their feelings, because it's feelings that motivates any singer to sing a true kind of musical vibe, and it makes the music better and makes the song better. And I am just feeling like that they just do it so perfectly that you never gonna judge by their voice or their performance. By their performance, it's just true art, that's it. And I'm loving it. I'm just a small guy from India, and I'm reacting to this kind of vibe, and you guys know I'm just a regular guy like you guys, and I'm just loving it to do this kind of things. So that's it. Bye bye, have a great day. And those who are new, please subscribe this channel, Indian Reaction, comment down below which type of video you want to watch, hit the bell icon for notification. Bye bye, have a great day, and be positive in your life. Thank you.